Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1932 3-window hot rod. It's got a HEMI in it, huh?
Yes, it does.
Man, fiberglass outlaw body and just beautiful. No corner cut on this piece. So tell us a little bit about it.
All right, so it's a 330 HEMI in it.
Okay.
Completely redone. Car has been 100% from start to finish, front to back. It's been done.
Got a lucky front end on there.
Yep.
Straight axle, drilled. Doesn't get better than that. Killer stance, oh my God.
Yeah, not too bad. It rides really, really well. 60 miles an hour, cruises well. Plenty of power. It's got power windows.
Nice.
It's the interior is completely done.
I like the Halibrand style wheel on it.
Yep, a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little bit of accents to paint color.
Yeah, such a unique color too. It's like almost like a seafoam green color.
Exactly.
Rocket. Very cool. Coilovers in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a Ford 9-inch rear back there. Okay. Chrome coilovers look great. These tail lights look almost like shoebox tail lights.
Yeah.
Very cool. Looks like a pretty fresh build too.
It is. Brand new. Not even 2 years old.
Wow. HEMI. Woo! Look at that. 330 HEMI.
Yep. Error correct carburetors.
Yeah, dual single downdrafts.
Yep.
Got that Highrise manifold. That's a pretty rare piece.
Mm-hmm.
Turn dash. Very fitting.
Yep.
Aluminum radiator. Looks like a Be Cool. Nice big electric fan.
Yeah, not mounted through the radiator. Special brackets.
Oh, I like that too. A lot of guys, they just drill them out.
Correct, and then they eventually leak.
And they leak.
Yeah.
Like the zoomies coming out the side.
Mm-hmm.
They come down to full exhaust. It's not too radical or loud. Just love the HEMI in this, bro. Oh
Yeah,
my
it's
God.
different. Yep.
Looks like you got a chrome tilt wheel. Looks like an I Did It.
Yes, it is.
What kind of trans?
Turbo 350.
Oh, good. Little shift kit.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Oh, you got a popper.
Yes, there is.
Very nice. Love the interior. Very fitting. What's the weight on this?
I want to say a little bit 28.
That's awesome. 250 miles on the build.
Mm-hmm.
It's got matching Dolffin gauges. So he's got fuel, volts, miles per hour, oil, and water. And then he's got a moon, looks like a vintage moon tack down there. 8-ball shifter. Reverse lockout. Very nice pedal assembly. Tilt wheel, like I said before. Get your turn dash up here. Beautiful pinstriping. I gotta show you the pinstriping on the outside because it matches the turn finish. He's got LED turn signal indicators. Harness belts. These are beautiful by DD. Looks like you fit a pretty tall guy in here too. Plenty of room.
Yep. The son's pretty tall. He fits in there well.
What are you, 6 foot, right?
Yeah.
He fits in there nice. These are all beveled glass in here, as you can see. It's all custom glass. Looks like it's tinted too.
Yes, it is.
All the way around. Finished trunk. Oh, here's a button right here. You see that? That's how you pop the door. Oh, there we go. You gotta push it a little harder. Beautiful. Let's fire it up. Mini starter. Man, look how little that is. got a real nice sound to it. Not overly done, you know?
No, no. It's a pleasure. Pleasure to talk.
Yeah, it sounds great. This is all, looks like it's all hand painted, huh? And then cleared over. You can barely feel it. It's got like a turn finish. It matches the turn firewall and the turn dash. You can see too, like the fit and finish. The doors don't hang out at the bottom. The lines are very correct all the way around. Super high-end build. Beautifully done. Like the blue dots on the tail lights too. Very fitting.
Blue dot? Yeah.
Blue dot. Nice mild build. Not gonna overheat. Runs good. Reliable. Clean.
Done correct. Yep.
Very cool. Love it. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. Keep in mind we do offer worldwide shipping and financing. So I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks again for showing us your car.
You're welcome.
Absolutely awesome.